So students, it is the mechanism of the ATS. Firstly, we discuss what is the ATS, and it is the mechanism of the ATS. The mechanism of the ATS is dependent on the 5 complexes. We have discussed earlier. There are the 5 types of complex are presented in the ATS. The complex first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So electrons are moved on these complexes with the electron carriers like FMN, like FAS protein, like ubiquinone, and last is the cytochrome A, B, C, 1C, and A3. So we are discussed these mechanisms and these complex, the role of the complex. The mechanism of the ATS is complex in complete into 5 complexes. First we discuss the complex first. This is the first complex. Clear? The first mechanism of complex first, FMN NADH2 dehydrogenase complex. We have discussed earlier. So what will happen? It is the electron carrier. FMN is the electron carrier. So where the electron are formed? ATS में इलेक्ट्रॉन आया कहाँ से? तो what is the role? What is start of the ATS? कैसे होगा? When the electron are formed? इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे फॉर्म होगा? The electron are formed by the oxidation of the asymmetric power NADH2 or FADH2. So these here, FMN is the electron carrier and NADH2 is the asymmetric power. The NADH2 is break oxidized and then releasing the electron. So NADH2 is breakdown in the form of the NAD plus 2H plus 2 electron, and these 2 electrons are start the ATS. Clear? When the electron donor is NADH2. So these electrons are moved one carrier to the carrier, and firstly these 2 electrons are utilized by the first electron carrier FMN, and it converts to the FMNH2. FMN converts to the FN. So FADH2. So we can say the FMN and NADH2, they are complex, and the electrons are set by the first electron carrier, and then it pass to another carrier. We can say the electron from the NADH produced in the mitochondrial matrix. Electron कहाँ form हुए? Electron are electrons from the NADH produced in the mitochondrial matrix during citric acid cycle. Citric acid is not TC cycle, and are oxidized by NAD dehydrogenase enzyme. It means this NADH2 are break down into the NAD with the help of the dehydrogenase enzyme and release electron, and these electrons are utilized by the FMN and they are passing to next. That is the complex first. Clear? Next, second, we discuss the complex second. The electrons are passing. These electrons released by the NADH2, and these electrons are passing to the another carrier. The second carrier is the ubiquinone, yeah, cobalt quinone. The UQH2 FADH complex. Clear? So complex first, then the transfer. The complex first, then the transfer electron to ubiquinone located within the inner membrane. Ubiquinone कहाँ होगा? Inner membrane पे होगा. Ubiquinone also receives the reducing equivalents via FADH2. तो इन कॉम्प्लेक्स सेकेंड में 2 कंडीशन हो गई. एक तो UQH2 first condition, second FADH2. They are the 2 reducing condition present, the UQH2 and FADH2. Clear? So ubiquinone also receives the reducing equivalent via the FADH2. So ubiquinone is converted to their reduced form UQH2. So there are 2 names here. First one is the UQ, and second is the UQH2. It is the oxidized form, and it is the reduced form. It is the oxidized form, and it is the reduced form. Clear? Oxidized form ubiquinone, and UQH2 is known as the ubiquinone. Their name is differ. Ubiquinone, it is known as the ubiquinone. It is known as the ubiquinol. UQ is the oxidized form UQH2 is the reduced form. It is ubiquinol and it is not the ubiquinol. Clear? The UQ utilize the proton electron and make the UQH2, and FADH2 make the FAD and that release the two proton and electron. So both UQH2 and FADH2 are the equivalent, reducing equivalent, because both are the reduced form present. The FADH2 then FADH2 is break, because FADH2 is another suspended power and the FADH2 are break down in the FAD and they release the electron, and this electron are utilized by the complex second. So I clear a point earlier that when the start of the ETS with the help of the first complex and 3 ATP are formed, and when the start of the complex is second, that known as the 2 ATP. Clear? 2 ATP form. It means when the ETS start with the complex first, it make the 3 ATP because the electron donor is NADH2. When the ETS start with the complex second, it means when donor is the FADH2, then ETS make the 2 ATP. We have explained earlier that the NADH2 make the 3 ATP and FADH2 make the 2 ATP. Clear? So the FADH2, where is the FADH2 form? The NADH2 is formed the three conditions. The NADH2 is formed the three conditions. Where is it formed? It forms the glycolysis, cytoplasmic NADH2. Second is form the link reaction, and third one is the form inside the Krebs cycle. The 3 NADH2 are present in the Krebs cycle. The 2 Krebs cycle are present. The 6 NADH2 are formed the Krebs cycle. 2 NADH2 by the link reaction and 2 NADH2 by the glycolysis. Total 10 NADH2 are formed, and these NADH2 are entered into the ETS and release the electron. Clear? And 2 FADH2 are formed inside the Krebs cycle, TCA cycle. So we can say FADH2 is generated during the oxidation of the substrate in the TCA cycle. T cycle. We have explained here that the succinic acid converted to the fumaric acid. Succinic acid converted to the fumaric acid, then FADH2 is formed. Clear? The reduced ubiquinol UQH2 is then the oxidized and release electron. UQH2 again break down into the UQ. It means here we can say the UQH2 is breakdown again, and UQ plus 2H plus 2 electron. The reducing form converted to the oxidized form. It is the reducing form. It is the oxidized form. The UQH2 is then oxidized and then release electron. Clear? These electrons are passed to the complex third. The electrons are passing complex first to complex second, to complex second to complex third. Complex third is the cytochrome CBC1 complex. Is the BC1 complex, and the electron transfer, then the cytochrome BC complex. After that, the electron transfer to cytochrome C. Clear? The electron transfer directly C with the help of the BC1. The BC1 is the complex third, and by this complex, the electron are transferred to cytochrome C. So we can say generally BC complex is not the BC complex, but actual complex is the BC1 complex, the cytochrome C. First cytochrome B, then C1, then C. Cytochrome C is the small protein. It is a small protein and attached to the outer surface of the inner membrane. It is very important question for medical exam. It is a small protein and outer surface of the inner membrane. All the components are present inner surface of the membrane, but it is present the outer surface of the membrane. Cytochrome C is acts as the electron mobile carrier. act as electron mobile carrier between the complex third and the complex 4. Complex third and complex 4. Clear? So it is the complex third. Now we discuss the complex 4. It is the complex 4 cytochrome A3 complex. Okay. This complex is known as also the cytochrome C oxidase complex because here the cytochrome C oxidase enzyme present and it is the oxidize the cytochrome C. After the cytochrome C oxidation, the release of the electron. So cytochrome C release the electron on cytochrome to the complex 4. Complex 4 is containing the 2 carbon compound, two cytochrome A and A3. Complex 4 containing the 2 cytochrome compound, the A and A3 and 2 copper compound. Generally we know the cytochrome A and A3 are the copper containing cytochrome because they contain 2 copper center, A and A3. Cytochrome A3 is the last electron receptor. It is a question for medical exam. It is the last electron receptor cytochrome. In medical exam the question is 2 types. First, the last electron receptor of ETS, answer is the oxygen. Last electron receptor cytochrome in ETS, answer is the A3. If the cytochrome, question for the cytochrome, the answer is the A3 and a compound, that is the O2. So here mention the cytochrome A3 is the last electron cytochrome receptor cytochrome. Clear? After that it's the complex 4. Complex 5. The complex 5. In complex 5 known as the ATP synthase and ATPase complex. When the electron pass from the one carrier to another via the complex first to 4 in the ATS, they are coupled with the ATP synthase. It means all the complex first to 4, the electron are moved, they release the energy because you know very well that the electron are moved higher orbital to lower orbital, they release the energy and this energy is make the ATP. So electron are moved, so they release the energy and this energy are utilized to making the ATP to joining the ADP plus inorganic phosphate. So ETS they are coupled to the ATP synthesis for the production of the ATP from ADP plus IP. ADP plus IP. IP means inorganic phosphate. Clear? The first to 4 complex, between the first to 4 complex, the 5th complex present and this complex are make the energy. The number of the ATP molecule is synthesized depend on the electron donor. It depends on the electron donor, the nature of the electron donor. And the nature of the electron donor means which type of the molecule. It is silver or gold. When the electron donor is NADH2, the 3-ATPR form. When the electron donor is FADH2, 2-ATPR form. So here, when the electron donor is NADH2, 3-ATPR form. When the electron donor is FADH2, 2-ATPR form. Clear? And last, the O2 receptor. O2 is the last receptor of the electron. Clear? And it makes the H2. So it is the complete mechanism of the ETS up to complex first to complex 5th. Clear? Clearly a point of all of these students that we have discussed the complex 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. It is a sequence of complex. But the complex are 4, 5th complex are present between the 1st and 3rd. Clear? In a diagram, then we are represent like this in a membrane in the complex 1st, the complex 2nd, complex 3rd and complex 4. Then complex 5. Generally we are discussed like this and your book the diagram like this. But actual में क्या होगा बच्चों, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स 5 होगा वो बीच में होता है. यहाँ कॉम्प्लेक्स 5 है, यहाँ कॉम्प्लेक्स 5 है, यहाँ कॉम्प्लेक्स 5 है. तो क्या होगा जब फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स सेकंड कॉम्प्लेक्स में जब होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होगा तो रिलीज होगी, एटीपी बन जाएगा। यहाँ से जब होगा तो एटीपी फॉर्म होगा, और जब यहाँ से यहाँ में जाएगा तो क्या होगा, एटीपी फॉर्म होगा। ठीक है, ये क्या है आपका फिफ्थ नंबर है, ये भी फिफ्थ नंबर है, ये भी फिफ्थ नंबर है। समझ आ गया? लास्ट में नहीं होगा फिफ्थ नंबर। कॉम्प्लेक्स 5 आर प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द टू कॉम्प्लेक्सेस। क्लियर? व्हेन द electron donor is NADH2, first ATP, second ATP, third ATP. When the electron donor is FADH2, then 1 ATP and 2 ATP are formed. Actual diagram like this. Actual में ये होता है, और हम पढ़ते गए ये complex first to 5 and there is a particular sequence, and in diagram we arrange this complex in this last and finally the 5 times. But these are the 4 complex, and 5th is another complex where there is complex present between these complex. Clear? So I explain by this diagram. Clear? So please note down. I hope you understand the mechanism of the ATS. So students, it is the diagram of mitochondria. It is a diagram of mitochondria, and in this diagram, you know, it is the outer membrane, inner membrane, PMS, F1 particles, and they are known as the cristae. They are known as the cristae, and it is known as the matrix. And it contains their own DNA, known as the empty DNA. Clear? So we are utilize a part for the reaction at this part. We are utilize a part where the crystal is present. So we are utilize this part for the description of the ETS. Clear? It is an enlarged view of this part of here. It is the inner membrane. This is the inner membrane structure. The outside the inner membrane is the PMS. It is a PMS, perimitochondrial space. Clear? Known as the perimitochondrial space, and inside it known as the matrix. It is a matrix. Clear? You know very well the Kc is occur inside the matrix, and link reaction occur outside the inner membrane. Yeah, between the PMS. So PMS represents the link reaction. The LR represents the link reaction. Clear? So in a cell, the mitochondria, we can the glycol. Here is the glycolysis. We can explain here the glycolysis, the cytosol glycolysis. Okay. It is the cytosol of a cell. Well, we have discussed that it is a cell. When we explain that it is a cell, then the cell cytosol, the glycolysis here present, then here the link reaction, and here the Kc. These are the 3 points. The glycolysis first outside, then LR, then Kc. Clear? So here 2NADH2 are formed, known as the cytoplasmic NADH2. Here LR, in LR the 2NADH2 form. Clear? And inside the matrix in Kc, 2NADH2, 2 Kc are present, so 6 NADH2 and 2 FADH2 are formed. Clear? So these NADH2 are moved inside here. क्लियर? केसी के अंदर ही है, लेकिन बाहर वाले दो होंगे वो एंटर करेंगे आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड, एंड हेयर दैट 10 NADH2 and 2 FADH2 present in the matrix. How many? 10 NADH2 and 2 FADH2 are present, and these 10 NADH2 and 2 FADH2 are converted into ATP. How many NADH2? 10 NADH2 and 2 FADH2. clear, are converted into ATP in ETS, clear. So they release the energy. How many energy? They release the energy into 10 into 3 is equal to 30 and 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 4, about 34 ATP. So we are discussing here that this process NADH2 and 2FADH2 are release the ATP inside the ETS, and this ETS are represent the 5 complexes, and these complexes the electron are moved the complex first to complex 4 and they release the energy, and this energy are utilized for making the ATP. So the energy are produced by these acidic power and they converted to the ADP to ADP and inorganic phosphate into the ATP with the help of the ATPase complex, and we can say complex number 5. Clear? That is the description. Here it is the inner membrane part, and here it represents the complex first, complex second, complex third. Here the complex third, complex 4. Here is the complex 4, and this is the complex 5. Clear? I again write here the complex first, complex second, complex third. इसमें सभी करते हैं हम लोग. Complex number third, complex 4, and it is the complex 5. So it is the inner membrane, it is the PMS, and it is the matrix. Matrix, the first one is the complex first, the NADH2 is oxidized in NAD form and they release the 2 electron and proton, and these electrons are utilized by the first electron carriers, the FMN, and then it is oxidized in FES. When the electron are passed here, it is oxidized and 2H are released from the PMS. So we can say the NH2 NADH2 are formed inside, and they utilize the 2 electron, and then these protons are removed outside the PMS, and the electron are moved the next carrier. So here 2 electron are released and 2 proton are released here. FMN and FNH2 and FMNH2 break down and they release the electron. So first means the oxidation, then reduction. Reduction oxidation process occur, and this FES protein again reduce and they oxidize. They utilize the 2H and then you convert it to 2 UQH2, and it is a ubiquinone. It is a ubiquinone, and it is the FADH2 FAD. And they are released the electron again, 2 electron and 2 proton, and these electron and proton are released. The electron are moved the next carrier and the proton are released inside the membrane PMS. तो आप ये देखिए यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन तो मूव कर रहा है एंड प्रोटॉन आर रिलीज inside the PMS. Then cytochrome B and cytochrome C1 complex, and in this complex what will happen? In this complex the FES protein are required, and cytochrome B release the electron, the cytochrome C, and cytochrome C release the electron, cytochrome C1 to C1. The C is present inside the inner membrane inner surface. We can say it is the outer surface UOS, and it is the inner surface IS. Clear? Outer surface of inner membrane is the inner surface of the inner membrane. So cytochrome C present the outer surface of this membrane, and it is mobile, and it is release the electron. So we can say electron here, release electron to cytochrome A. Electron, here electron. Clear? So electron are moved toward the cytochrome A and then cytochrome A3. So cytochrome A3 is the last cytochrome that accepts the electron, and it releases the electron to H2O2. So we can say here the A3 is the last electron cytochrome, and this cytochrome are provide the electron O2, and O2 are utilize this electron and make the H2O. So we can say the O2 is last electron receptor and cytochrome is A3 and last compound is O2. Clear? That is the flowchart, the complex first, second, third and fourth. So the proton are captured by the matrix and they are moved inside the PMS. So inside the PMS the number of the proton increase and these proton are develop a force that known as the PMF, proton motive force, and due to this force the electron again move is inside to outside. You can say here outside to inside. First they are moved inside to outside and after that they are moved outside to inside, and due to this condition our fifth complex ATPase complex are required. And this ATPase complex contain two parts, is the F0 and it is the F1 part, and the proton are released the F0 part as a channel form, and the F1 particle of ATPase complex contain the ATPase enzyme, and this enzyme has to be making the ADP to PI to make ATP, because this enzyme are present F1, and this F1 is known as the oxysome unit of the respiration. Clear? So ADP plus PI make the ATP, and as the form and the T2H are utilized the formation of the H2O. Clear? So it is the process of the electron transfer. Clear? Process of electron transfer, it is easiest simple way to express the ATS. In your NCERT book there are different type of diagram present in module and NCERT, but it is the easiest way to explain this is the movement of the electron from one complex to another complex, one carrier to another carrier. Clear? And the last complex we are explaining very important because it is known as the ATPase complex. So this diagram is the ATPase synthetase. ATPase synthetase enzyme here, ATPase complex, or we can say complex fifth. Clear? In this complex, the two parts are present, the F0 and F1. The F0 is the inside the membrane, it integral embedded in the membrane, and F1 particle outside toward the matrix. Clear? It is the toward the matrix, and it is the PMS and in the inner membrane. It is the inner membrane. Though F0 or F0, we can also F0. F0 present inside the inner membrane, and F1 is a head-like structure, headpiece-like structure, and it is the basal part. In other words, it is known as the basal part, and it is known as the head part of the. Okay, it is, and these are the PMS, and the proton are moved, and these proton are moved outside. Then the energy are released, and this energy are make the ADP and PI join together and make the ATP. So we can say ADP and PI both are joined together and make the ATP. That is the ATPase complex or complex 5. So we are explaining here the ATPase synthetase is complex 5. It is made of the two main component. First one is the F0, F0 or F1. Clear? F1, it is an integral membrane protein. Integral means ये इसके अंदर embedded है. It is embedded inside the membrane. The integral membrane protein, and that forms the channel through the which proton cross the inner membrane. It make a channel. कैसे देखो ये रहा. It make a channel, and by this channel the proton are moved outside to inside. Clear? PMS to matrix. Clear? Second one is the F1. F1, it is the headpiece of a peripheral protein. Headpiece. It is a headpiece, like a headpiece, and complex, and they contain the site of the ATP synthesis. Clear? It is known as the site of the ATP synthesis. And it is known as the oxysome. It is known as the oxysome. It is known as oxysome. Oxysome. Why? Oxysome is known as unit of respiration. You know very well that the quantosome is the unit of the photosynthesis. Quantosome is the unit of the photosynthesis, and they are present thylakoid. And same here, the F1 particle is known as the oxysome, and oxysome are the unit of the respiration. So it is the oxysome, it is the unit of the respiration. The question for medical exam, the unit of the photosynthesis and respiration. The unit of the photosynthesis is the quantosome, and unit of the respiration is the oxysome. Clear? And the PMF develop inside. I explained that when the proton are moved matrix to PMS. So the number of the proton are increased in the PMS and decrease inside the matrix. So due to the enhancement of the PMS proton inside the PMS, a force developed that known as the PMF, proton motive force. Clear? And this force developed inside the PMS, so the proton are moved toward the matrix, outside to inside. ठीक है? By complex fifth 2H, two proton passes from the F0 from their inner membrane space to the matrix down, and the electron chemical proton gradient. Due to this proton imbalance, proton potential inside the PMS and matrix, they are moved outside to inside with the help of the complex 5, and when they are moved, there is the energy, and this energy is capable to make the ATP. Clear? That is the process of the electron transport system. Clear? I hope you understand the electron transport system is completely. First, the definition of the electron transport system, there is general point of the ETS, second the mechanism of ETS, and third is the diagram of the ETS. Clear? Please note down.